Hi family, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. My name is Anne. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how to make ginger oil at home. Now let me share with you some benefits of using ginger oil. Ginger oil is good for the skin, for swelling, and for hair regrowth. When it comes to the hair, ginger oil contributes to the health and cleanness of the scalp. The ginger oil increases the scalp's circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. Also, the essential vitamins in ginger promote faster hair growth. So to prepare it, I'm just peeling off the skin of the ginger. So I'll wash the ginger after peeling off the skin with clean water. And after washing the ginger, I allowed it to dry for a while. Then I grate it using my grater. Okay, now so with the carrier oil of your choice, in this case I'm using coconut oil. You can use olive oil or any other oil of your choice. I'm going to put my ginger into the carrier oil. Then I'm going to mix it together with the oil. So now cover the mixture completely and keep it in a warm place for a day or two. Keep it in a warm place for a day or two. Now, keeping it there, you occasionally shake it to allow the ginger to infuse in the oil. Now the second day, I made hot water, then I placed my mixture in the hot water. This will allow the oil to heat up for proper infusion. So you can see the oil is heating up. After the infusion, I'm going to strain out the oil from the ginger. So using my sieve, or you can use a strainer, any strainer so that you prefer. I'm going to pour out the mixture into my sieve. Then I'm going to press down with a spoon to extract more oil from the ginger. I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel if not yet subscribed to this channel. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family. So guys, this is our ginger oil. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Bye.